Hi, everybody. I'm here to show you quickly just a few different tools we use to learn. So let's first jump to the whiteboard. Here's one way I can help us learn. We can learn together. So the whiteboard has lots of features. You can type here. I can highlight things. Use the arrow to show you different points. Had is normally dropped. We don't usually say it. Subject, I can highlight the modal verb in the base form. There's lots of ways I can interact on the digital whiteboard. Let's go to the next tool quickly. That is, of course, Chat GPT. Chat GPT is so useful if you know how to let it teach you. So here's a sample talking about modal verbs. And let's jump to the next tool we use in the class. That is, ELLII is the name. It's a website. You'll have a subscription that I pay for. But ELLII has lots of different ways you can interact with it. You can also do your homework on this website that I'll check for you and review. Here's a sample of what ELLII looks like. Okay, in ELLII also there's paperwork, different ways to explain. There are different ways to explain the grammar rules. And there's more ways we can practice together. Just one sample. Also underline points. Okay, let's jump to the next tool. This is Burlington English, another program I pay for that you'll have access to for free when you join. It's another way we can practice and learn English together. See, it gives the different explanations for the grammar points. We practice in different ways. Burlington English has many different ways to interact with English. Also, of course, we'll read a lot. So here's a sample of one article. Oh, this one is about artificial intelligence. And it's got different activities to practice also. Practice your vocabulary. And then finally, almost finally, I have access to lots of different videos that explain pronunciation very specifically.
In the back, k. Could we try later?
Okay. Finally, I want to show you how, of course, we can look at images too through shared screen. And we can find definitions, synonyms, explanations. But another great feature of these classes are that you can actually see me when we interact. And I can see you also. So with this previous example, the verb swing, I can show you to swing is this motion. This action is to swing. Okay, these are things that are maybe traditionally difficult to explain, but when we have lots of different ways to interact and learn, like through my online classes, it's easier to understand. So, hope you'll join.